In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can redirect to a thank you page on your Squarespace website. So you can use this on any sort of form or newsletter block. For the purposes of this tutorial, we're going to look at this free lead magnet kit I offer on my website. And you'll see here I've got a newsletter block. And what I want to do is connect this to my thank you page. So this is my thank you page. It's all set up. It's very basic, but it gives people access to the free lead magnet kit so they don't have to go all the way to their email inbox to get it. So what we're going to do is come back into my original page where I've got the newsletter block, click edit, scroll down, click on my newsletter block, click the pencil icon. We're just going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and where it says post submit, we'll click here. Click redirect, and here you can click this gear icon and then connect it to the correct page on your website. Really easy to do. Now let's look at an example with a form block. So if we scroll down on my website design page, it starts with send project inquiry, and this is a form. It's just a light box pop-up, so if people click on it then the form pops up. We're going to click the pencil icon. And again, under content, post submit, same thing. You just redirect it to a thank you page. So this could be thank you for your project inquiry. Here's what happens next, and you can lay it out. Again, it's really helpful if you're sharing any sort of free resource on your website as well. Hey, if you like this video, there's a good chance you'll also like this one.